What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how we can make a table in Power BI. So first of all, the dataset that we are going to use is a sample dataset which is provided by Power BI, which is a financials data. So let's see how to make a table in Power BI. So let's say I would like to see some parameters according to country. So I'm going to drag and drop the parameters. So I have already dropped the country over here. After that I'm going to drag and drop the gross sales. After that the profit. After that the unit sold. After that the year. And yeah, that's all. So I have already dropped all the columns over here. So after that you just have to go to the visualization pane and you have to select the table from there. So after selecting a table, you can see the data that I have taken is being converted into a table. So this table seems to be very simple. So you can make a formatting stuff as well. So you can do a formatting stuffs for this table as well. So you just have to go to the format window under the visualization pane and you can find different windows over here. So let's say in general we can increase the height and width of the table. So let's say I would like to make the table to 1000 and the height I would like to give as 800. So that's all. And after that, when we go to the downward, like styling is also there. So this is all about the table styling. So this is the default styling which is showing up over here for our table, but we can select a different styling. So let's say different styles for our table. So let's say I would like to apply the minimal one. So you can see the table is changing over here. After that, if we apply the second one, bold header, so you can see over here the header is changing to the bold one. After that, if you go to the down alternating rows, then you can see the header as well as the total column is coming up a bold one. After that, if you can go downward, then we can have contrast alternating rows. Then you can see that the other rows are also getting a background color over here, a contrast color you can say. After that, if you go to the flashy rows, then you can see the color has been changed over here. It has been become some kind of flashy one. And after that, the bold header and flashy rows, if we select this, so you can see over here the headers and the total are the bold one, but the rows are coming up into flashy. And after that, if you go to the next one, sparse, if you select the sparse, and you can see over here the headers and the total bottom row remains the same, but there are no grid lines available in our table. So the sparse will show you like that. After that, if you select the last one, which is condensed, then you can see it is showing it is just showing the grid lines over here, the vertical and the horizontal grid lines. So this is all about our table, like the styling of our table. I'll make it to default. After that, if you go to the grid, then you can add the grid lines over here. Like horizontal grid lines are already present, but if you want to add up the vertical grid lines, you just have to click it to on, and you can change the grid lines color as well. So let's say I would like to make it to blue, and I would like to increase the grid line thickness as well. So you can increase the grid line thickness from here, like 1 2 3, and I have made it to 3. And similar to vertical, we can also increase the horizontal grid lines, and we can also change the horizontal color. So let's say I would like to make it to some other color, say it's a purple, and I am going to increase the thickness of the grid lines. So you can see over here the changes are taking place, and we can also add the row paddings over here. So I am going to increase the row padding. So you can see over here the row sizes are going to be increased after we are increasing this size over here. We can also change the outline color here. So let's say I would like to add up it to black, and you can see the outline color is going to be changed into black. After that, we can also change the text size over here. So if I go to 12 point, so you can see the text size is going to be increased. And this is like all about we have seen for the grid one. After that, if you go to the column headers, we can change the font color of the column header. So let's say I would like to make it to some other color, much more dark. Yeah, so this one. So I have selected a dark red or orange color, and we can also change the background color for it. So let's say I would like to take it to gray, and you can see the background color is changing over here. And we can also change the outline type. For example, it is giving up over here bottom only, but we can take it up to top or bottom, or we can set it up to top only, like as per our conditions or as per our requirement. We can also change the font family. Let's say I would like to change it to Calibri. So you can see the font is going to be changed over here. And if I want to change the alignment, so let's say I would like to make it into center, so you can see the headers are coming into center over here. So this is about the column headers. And we can also change the font color, the background color, the alternate font color, the alternate background color, and the outline for our values as well. So the values which are present into these rows, we can also change their colors, their background colors as well. And we can also change their font family. So let's say I would like to change it to Calibri, and we want to make the background color, I would like to change the background color. I would like to apply a blue one over here. So you can see over here the background color is going to be changed, and it is applied alternately. So if I want to change the alternate background color as well, so if I want to make it to some orange one, so you can see over here the alternate background color is also going to be changed. So this is about the values background color, the values font family, and values formatting, you can say. And we can also do the formatting stuff for the total row as well. Like we can also change the label to, so let's say make it into country total. So you can see over here the country total is coming up over here. So we can also change the font color, we can also change the background color for same, we can also change the font family for the same, and we can also increase the text size like another. And field formatting is also available there. Like for particular field, we can do the formatting stuff for the particular field. Like we are having various field over here like country, gross sales, profit. We can also do formatting stuff for various. So the conditional formatting is also available over here. So we can apply a conditional formatting onto our table as well. So this is all about how to make a table in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.